Want to create a game pass in Roblox and start selling it in your game? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create one and put it on sale step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your game pass, add a price, and make it available for players to buy. First, open Roblox in your browser. Now move to the top of the screen and click Create. This will open your creator dashboard. Now move over to the left side panel and click Creations. Here you'll see all of your Roblox projects. Now under Creations, look on the left side and click Experiences. This will show your published games. Now in the middle of the screen, find the game where you want to add the game pass and click on that game. This opens your game settings. Next, move down the left side menu. Scroll down a little and click Monetization. Now under Monetization, find Passes and click it. This is where all your game passes are managed. Now move to the middle section. Scroll down a little and click Create a Pass. Now you can set up your pass. You can optionally upload an image. Then enter a name for your game pass. And if you want, you can also add a description. Once everything looks good, move down to the bottom of the page and click Create Pass. And just like that, your game pass is created. Now, if you want players to buy it, go to the list of passes and click on the one you just created. Now look to the left side menu and click Sales. This is where you control pricing. Now turn on the option for sale. Then enter the amount of Robux you want to charge. Choose your price carefully. Once your price is ready, move down and click Save Changes. And that's it. Your Roblox Game Pass is now live and available for players to buy. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.